In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DMIN function in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and get your worksheet ready. The DMIN function is designed to return the smallest number in a database, or in other words, a table that meets one or more specific conditions. This makes it especially useful when you want to find a minimum value based on criteria such as a category, region, product type, or even a date range. The syntax for DMIN is equals DMIN, then open parentheses, database, field, criteria, and close parentheses. The database argument is the full table range, including the headers. The field argument tells Excel which column you want the minimum from, and this can be written either as a column name in quotes or as a column number. The criteria argument is the range where your condition or conditions are listed, and this range must also include the header. Let's use a simple example. Imagine your data includes product, category, and sales, and that the table is stored in cells A1 through C7. In this sample data, the products include items like laptop, mouse, keyboard, monitor, headset, and printer, with categories such as electronics and accessories, along with their sales values. Now let's find the minimum sales value for electronics. Create a small criteria range in columns E and F, with the header category in E1 and electronics in E2. Then enter the formula equals DMIN, open parentheses, A1 colon C7, comma, quote, sales, quote, comma, E1 colon E2, close parentheses. This returns 8500, which is the smallest sales value within the electronics category. You can also use the column number instead of the column name. Since sales is the third column in the table, you can use equals DMIN, open parentheses, A1 colon C7, comma, 3, comma, E1 colon E2, close parentheses. You'll get the same result. For multiple criteria, suppose you want the minimum sales where category equals accessories and sales is greater than 1000. Set up a criteria range with category and sales as headers, then put accessories under category and greater than 1000 under sales. Use the formula equals DMIN, open parentheses, A1 colon C7, comma, quote, sales, quote, comma, E1 colon F2, close parentheses. The result is 1200. You can also make your worksheet more flexible by using cell references in the criteria area. For example, if E2 contains the category name, the DMIN formula will automatically update whenever that cell changes. A few important tips. Always include headers in both the database and criteria ranges, and make sure the criteria headers match the table headers exactly. Also use the correct field name or column number. If you want the largest matching value, use Dmax. And if you want an average based on criteria, use Daverage. In newer versions of Excel, MiniFS can also be a simpler option for conditional minimum values.